Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. I'm Clara.
And I'm Jake. This is part 2 of our Paw and Potion mini-series. Then today we're following up on what we promised in part 1, a closer look at essential oils and pets. Which ones to avoid, which ones are safe, and how to tell what your pet actually likes.
If you haven't heard part 1 yet, hit pause and go back. We talked about the toxic ingredients hidden in commercial pet shampoos, and we shared Coco's story, the itchy pup who found calm through natural grooming.
Today we're diving deeper into how essential oils interact with your pet's body and why cats and dogs need different kinds of care.
Let's start with the big red flags. Oils like tea tree, wintergreen, clove, and eucalyptus are off limits for pets, especially cats. Their livers can't process certain compounds the way humans can.
Right. Even something we think of as gentle, like tea tree, can be dangerous for pets. This is why Jan recommends staying on the safe side, using very mild oils and only in very low dilution.
So what is safe? In her book, Jan highlights lavender, Roman chamomile, and frankincense as 3 of the safest and most useful essential oils for dogs. They can help with stress, skin issues, and healing.
But even then, dilute. Think 1 drop in 10 milliliters of carrier oil. That's about a 0.25% dilution. And never apply oils directly to your pet's skin unless you really know what you're doing.
Now here's a fun trick from Jan's book, the sniff test. Instead of guessing what oils your pet likes, let them decide. Just uncap the bottle, hold it near, not under, their nose, and see how they react. If they move toward it, that's a yes. If they turn away, don't use it.
So simple and respectful, right? It's about working with your animal, not just applying things to them.
Before we wrap up, let's take a listener question. This one is from Leah in Manchester. She asks, "My dog hates car rides. Can I use anything natural to help him relax?"
Great question. Jan suggests lavender hydrosol as a calming mist sprayed on a blanket in the car. Or you can make a tiny travel blend with 1 drop of Roman chamomile in 10 milliliters of jojoba oil and rub it on your hands before handling your dog.
And never put oils on your pet's nose or directly on their fur without testing and knowing it's safe. Less is always more.
That's a wrap for today. Next time, Jan herself joins us to talk about blending, healing, and how to make your own pet care products from scratch.
You can find her book, Pet Care with Essential Oils and Their Friends, at aromashoppe.com. And if you're in Canada, look for it at anarreshealth.ca.
Subscribe, share, and send us your questions.
Until next time, stay curious, stay natural,
and give your furry friend an extra cuddle from us.